So that's where I put my investment. That's where I put all of my time and energy. And that's what I want to, continue to inspire other educators, because we are so busy, and we are people outside of education that, having the resources on Twitter and having a community that is so strong and willing to share and unite and help each other, that just makes education such a more powerful place. So that's why I've invested so much in companies like Adobe and Flip, because it's what we need to be doing in education.
Because I've heard from some teachers that, oh my gosh, I don't have much time, and you want me to get creative? You want to really? Yes, right. It's ready to go. It's just remix. It's just the ideas.
Or I might pull a small group that I know is going to rock it, and they're going to figure out those 3 things and be able to do some extension and some more. That's what I'm going to do. Like that pedagogy, when we're integrating technology, does not change. Those things, how we teach new concepts, that doesn't change just because technology is in there. Technology is in there to enhance our instruction. It shouldn't be an extra thing. Creativity shouldn't be that extra thing. It's right in there.
You know what's coming.